We would like to give a special thanks to MGA for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Poopsie Cutie Tooties Surprise. Okay, let me just say this stuff gets me every time. I can't be calm and talk about poopsies and tooties. It's just not gonna happen. Every time I have to say poopsies and tooties, a part of me is saying, "Ew, you said poo." But this is supposed to be cute. That's why cutie is bigger than the other words. There are 25 plus Cutie Tooties to collect and plus 25 slimes. On the side it says, collect the rainbow, drop 1, recommended for ages 6 and up. On the back, there are some simple instructions. 1. Snip or pop, scissors used by adults only. Step number 2, squeeze slime. Number 3, find a surprise. At the bottom, you can see the different types of slimes that you may find inside. Crunchy or bouncy slime, water slime or marshmallow slime, or putty slime. And that's pretty cool. The bag is reusable so you can store and save your slime. Let's take this out of the bag for a closer look. Out of the box, yeah, you get that. We get a large Poopsie. It is orange with glitter. There are eyes on the front and a little smile if you look closely. I do believe these are ears and it is squishy. It comes with instructions that say adult supervision is required and a very colorful collector's guide that shows you all of the Cutie Tooties and their availability. Some are regular, rare, ultra rare, and super ultra rare. They are separated into different categories: sky blue dews, junk food duties, and Fartica. Yeah, that's really a name there. And then there is under the Pacific. On the back, there are 3 more, like cosmic doo-doos. All right. Before you get started, make sure you are on a protected surface. Then snip the top and squeeze out the slime. Yay, I did it! I'm guessing this is a marshmallow slime. You can use it to make some fun shapes. Along with our slime, we have another surprise. This is our Cutie Tootie, and it is Boom from the Sky Blue Dews. This is a little angry rain cloud with a unicorn horn, eyelashes, and a glitter lightning bolt. Look at those eyes. It's like cute and not at the same time, but it's still really cute. It's just so different. And it's looking at me with those big, beautiful eyes. And look at those lashes. Okay, so you have to get through the Poopsie to get the figure. And I like the figure. It has 1 point of articulation with full rotation at the neck. Let's open another one because I wouldn't mind getting anything from under the Pacific. Ooh, I like Sizzle and Cuddles. And I want Orchid, Prism, and Spark. Ooh, we have a new color this time. If you don't want to cut the top, there is a small latch underneath. It is like sealed shut, so you have to really, you have to work at getting that one. And here is, this one is so gross. Here is the slime. I'm guessing this is the water slime because it's super liquidy. Wow. Okay, yeah. Let's empty this on a protected surface and help all of the slime get out. There we go. That's fun. Take out the surprise inside. Wow, the water slime is pretty interesting. But now it is time to meet our Cutie Tootie. And I think it's one of the mermaid ones. Yes, it is Splash. It's a cute little mercat with a golden unicorn horn, beautiful green eyes, and a blue glitter tail. And since we didn't cut into the Poopsie, we can display that too. Place the water slime into the resealable bag for safe keeping. Ooh, this one is sparkly purple. We're gonna go back to cutting it this time. I'm gonna just make a little cut across the back. And you can see the slime. We've got crunchy slime. I am not very good at squeezing this out. Here, we can just help it out a little bit and pull it out. Wow, the crunch slime is pretty cool. There is a little bit of glitter mixed in. Out of all of the slimes so far, I think this one is the most fun to play with. And it makes a little snap, crackle, pop sound effect. Time to reveal our Cutie Tootie. Ooh, it's glittery. And it looks like... it is the rare drip. This one is covered in glitter and has a golden unicorn horn. Pink and glittery. This one feels pretty squishy. I think it's another water slime. Let's make a small cut in the back near the top, then squeeze out the slime. Yep, we did it that time. That one worked perfectly. It was actually really gross. Ew. Lavender water slime. Just looking at the packaging, I'm gonna say this is another member of the Sky Blue Dews. I could be wrong, but that kind of looks like a cloud to me. So let's find out. Am I right? Is that a double? Oh, it's a double. We have another Boom. Boom is a regular Cutie Tootie, so our chances of getting doubles are pretty good. And we only have one more to open. I like how when you look at the packaging, you can see the color of the glittery Poopsie. This is a really pretty color. I like cutting it in the back, near the top, so we can squeeze out the slime. I think this time we have putty slime. And out of all the textures, this one's actually pretty cool. It doesn't stick to anything, and it just gives you that slime kind of feeling without making a huge mess. Our Poopsie is still intact with a small cut at the top, making it a great coin purse. I love finding new ways to use stuff. And now we are down to our very last Cutie Tootie. And it is some kind of monkey. This is the rare Swing. It has a golden horn and glitter purple wings. I love how the minifigures have inset eyes and those long eyelashes. That neck articulation gives you a few options for play. We can use them as toys for our dolls or as pets in a magical land. I gotta admit that at first the whole Poopsie Cutie Tooties thing kind of got to me. However, these minifigures are so unique. And there are a few more that I really want to find. So I'm going to be on the lookout for more Poopsie Cutie Tooties surprise. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at these adorable little minifigures. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.